abarukorwa mu bice bya Uganda ibitari bimwe na bimwe abetabiro mu Kilembe Mines Helmet Tournament abantu bagamba huna Sky TV bashobora kumzanogu amene cheke tibarikuzandaho berekiriye tamani ombre burugwizuba amwe na Central Africa nguko ukachaba kitakwatsirwe je basa kwenera kisisikiri nacyo bakakiferwa ekishaayi bose bazanda mu bindi
ekyo kukorwaho union kabineta mwamani eija ekirango ekishaayi kiba kimwe omurye bw'abafite amani abo ni ekishaayi kirungi kandi kino mwanya gukumara.
The thing that this course has is very unique. The mountains around it can give you that very good sort of vantage point where you can put up vantage point positions where people can be able to watch the game from, whether it's houses or just places where you have cabins for people to sit and have a drink and watch the whole course, because no matter where you are on the course, all the hills are pointing to the golf course. There's not many places you would find this kind of terrain. So this is an advantage that not just the union, but I think it would be attractive for anybody to try and invest in having this or being part of this golf course, because if this were to be fully developed to its full potential, I think this would be one of the most beautiful courses in the world, because there is a unique setup where you have this sort of valley-like place where the course is, and you have the opportunity or the possibility to then have very good views from the outside or from around the perimeters of the course. So,
baija muwangu batagerekere nyuma nambere bagiroliye hano etandikire now bajongereho, let them go a step ahead akire n'abantu abandi bejege bakizanire mu bagirole. It's a challenging course, by the way. Deka baija bagiyambe, the union, the ward, they have to come in baije bagiyambe as let it come out again, because it was the best. Ni ekabere nunga kubanza utati totagongere garuki ekose zinari competing na
Ronald Kwichereza uri chairman wa Kilembe Mines Golf Club nashobora ngo igenderwa cyo kutahemzane no kurebekangu bareta bazani okurugaheriye ihanga ngo nabo bayitaba umuzano keji
of the country. We have a couple of national parks, starting with Rwenzori Mountain National Park for those who love hiking, to the Margarita. We have a group that is going to the boat cruise on Kazinga Channel right now to do game watching. We have Queen Elizabeth, we have the hot springs just up above T-box number 2. There's quite a lot to see around here, and we encourage people to go out and explore the country, explore.
Omuringo ngogume Ashrafur captain wa Golf Club of Mbarara yashobora ngo muzano guno gw'amani mununga ngukandi gwija kubahwera ukureta bazani okurugaheriye ihanga.
Golf ngabulijo tulina okukikubira omulango gw'amaanyi naddala ffe aba Western Region program nteno course tekwesibyeko nnyo irina 18 holes tulina okubeera nga tukuba omulango gw'amaanyi nnyo Uganda Golf Union okubeera nga eteekamu amaanyi nejje tuyambe tuno twongeramu okubeera nga tufuna ba sponsors yo yonnyini nga Uganda Golf Union okubeera nga etuyambako okubeera nga eteekamu some monies to improve the course of Western Uganda.
Osokutere emigo yone nyakulumu golf bag, so it keeps your mind in obongo wambu ikarambu working 24/7 emigo yone no kose omusawo. So well kuba Kilembe bagarayo nambere kabere ngu ekabere emu halies golf courses amanu mu East Africa. Osokurangu all golfers, the pros and the elite amateurs osokuamba garuka hanu batanga kwa training ground, cause kubegarukaho etsoktubera nkitwangu hera kera Serena, cause Serena is a little bit expensive.
Ekishaayi golf ekya Kilembe Mines Golf Course nijo ekishaayi ekyabenisitirayo bulungi mu ihanga ngukonka kwiho Idi Amini abinga abajungu mu myaka ya 1970 ekishaayi kikagarikaga kurebeka ko kukyabeire kiri.